Hi, my name is Kian Savant. Today we are going to do some from mental maths competition from standard 5. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are different. They add up to 14. The hundredth digit is double the tenth digit and one's digit is 4 times the thousandth digit. So we'll draw 4 lines for the 4 digits. Now we're going to add up these digits. And the sum is equal to 14. So the hundredth digit is double of the tenth digit. So the tenth digit can be any number. We can say as x. So we will have 100 as 2 times x or 2x. And now the ones digit is 4 times of the thousandth digit. So thousandth digit should be different from the tenth digit. So we will call this y. And we want 4 times of y, so we'll have 4y. Now y plus 4y is 5y and 2x plus x is 3x. We have that 5y plus 3x equals 14. So we can try different combinations. We can have that y can be equal to 1 and 3x is equal to 3. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. Now we put 3 in the tenth digit and y in the thousandth digit. So answer is C. Now I'll go to next question. Now I'll just erase this. Okay, so in a class of in a class of 250 students, 60% of students were present. How many are absent? So there are 250 students in a class. Students. And out of that, just type it. There are 250 students. And out of that 60% of students are present. or 6/10 of the students are present. We will multiply by 6/10. 6 divided by 10. Now I can do cross multiplication. And this will cancel and this will become 25. So we have that 25 6 which is equal to 150. So 150 are present. So we subtract 250 from 150 from 250, and there are 100 students which were absent. So our answer is 100. Now I'll erase all this, and now I'm going to go to the next question. Lara requires 3 hours, 35 minutes, and 25 seconds to run 20-kilometer distance, and Gail covers the same distance in 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 55 seconds. How much less time does Gail take? How much less time than Lara does Gail take? So we don't need this 20 kilometers information. We can cancel it. So we just need to subtract 3 hours, 30 minutes, 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 55 seconds from 3 hours, 35 minutes, and 25 seconds. This will be hours, minutes, and seconds. And I'll subtract. 5 minus 5 is going to be 0. 2 minus 5 is not possible to do. So we'll take 1 from minute and add 60 to 20 and add 6 to 2 and make it 8. Now we subtract 5 from 8 and we have 30. Now we have 4 minus 0, which is 4. 3 minus 3 is, which is 0. And 3 minus 3 is also 0. So Lara is faster. Gail is faster than Lara by 4 minutes 30 seconds. So that is our answer. Now I'll just erase this before moving to the next question. Okay. Trees are placed along a road of 1.5 kilometers on both the sides at a distance of 25 meters. How many trees are planted? So, trees are placed along 1.5 kilometers on both the sides at a distance of, there is a road, I'll draw one. So this distance is 1.5 kilometers. The trees are placed like this, and they are also placed here. So every 25 meter, there's one more tree. So if there, we will divide 1.5 kilometers by 25 meters. 1.5 kilometers is equal to 1,500 meters. Upon dividing by 25, you will have 60 trees. There's 60 gaps, so there will be 61 trees on one side. So there will be 122 on in total. So that's the answer. Now I'll erase everything. Now if A equals 3, B equals 4 and C equals 5, then which of the following is equal to 23? So A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals 5. So there's, we can do different combination, try one option at a time until we get correct. So let us put the value of A and value of B and value of C. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 4 times 2, which is 8, and 1 times 5, which is 5. If you add it, you will get 22. But we don't want 22. We want 23. So we'll go to the next option. 3A plus B plus 2C. We'll again write the values of A, B, and C. We have 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 4, 4. And 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 9 plus 4, 13, and 13 plus 10 is 23. So we get our correct answer, which is B. Now I'll again erase everything. The product of the three numbers of is 3553. One of the number is 17. Find the greatest of the three. So now I will just, okay, so I'll take 3553 and I will divide by 17. The product of, this is supposed to be a product of three prime numbers. So we divide by 17. We can, this is 2, remainder 1, 17 times 1, remainder 2, and we have, this is 0, this is 15, and 17 times 9 is 153. So the product of two numbers of the remaining two prime numbers is 209. Now we need to find the two prime factors of these. So 11 seems to be one of them. We will divide by 11 and we have 9. 19. So we want to find the largest number. So we have 11, 19 and 17. 19 is the largest. So that is the answer. Now I'll erase. And I'll go to next. 3 dozen balls are equally distributed among 4 boys. How many balls are required to be distributed equally in the same manner among 25 boys? Okay, so 3 dozen balls or 3 dozen balls or 36 balls are distributed equally among 4 boys. So 36 is distributed among 4. So in that same manner, it should be distributed in such a way that each boy gets the same number of balls as the 4 boys each in the first one. So we divide 36 by 4 and we get 9. Now we have to multiply 25 by 9 because each boy has 9 balls. So 25 nines are 225. So that should be our answer. I'll erase and go to next. Ravi has some beads. Out of these, he gave 3/11 of them to Rajesh and 5/11 to Ramesh. And then 18 beads were left with him. Find the total number of beads Ravi gave to Rajesh and Ramesh. So what we want to find is Ravi has some number of beads. He gave 3/11 plus 5/11 of his balls. So he gave away 8/11 of the balls. And that is what we want to find out. He had 3/11 left with him because 11/11 minus 8/11 is 3/11. So 3/11 equals 18. So if 3/11 equals 18, then 1/11 should be equal to 6. Because we divide both sides by 3 and we have 18 also divided by 3. If we can bring this divide by 3 up here, we can bring this here and this becomes 1 divided by 18. 1 divided by 11. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 1/11 of something. This is something we want. Now we want to find 8/11 of that. So we again multiply by 8. So we have 6 8s are 48. 6 times 8 equals 48. So that's the answer. Now I will erase and go to the next question. In the given magic square, the sum of the numbers horizontally in every row. Okay, I'll just get my pen. So in every row, this one, the first one, the second one, the third one, then vertically. So vertically means every single column. The first column, the second column, the third column, and also the largest diagonals. So, and also these largest diagonals, the sum of all this are same. So, which of the given number is not used? Given number, which of the given number is not used? They are saying that which number is not from A, B, or C. So we can take one this. So 15 plus 15 plus 19 is equal to 20 plus 19, 39. So we now know that the sum will be same and it is equal to 39. We have this sum first. We can take this A plus 9 plus 19, which is A plus 28. A plus 28 is equal to 39. So what plus 28 is equal to 39? 11. So A is 11. We can write A as 11 here. Now we can look at this row. 21 plus 5 plus B is equal to 39. So 21 plus 5 is 26. So 26 plus B, 26 plus B is equal to 29. We can also say it as B plus 26. So what plus 26 is equal to 39? So 26 plus 13 is equal to 39. I'll just write it here. Now I'll look at this column. But I can also look at this row. Both of these sums will be same. So 7 plus 15 is 22 and 9 plus 13 is also 22. So 22 plus C is equal to 39. So what? 22 plus what is equal to 39? So 22 plus 17 is 39. So I can write 17 here. So which number does not fill in A, B, or C? So the answer is 19. Now I'll erase this and then go to next question. This question is the last one. Just erase this also. Okay. This is the last question. In an example of division, the divisor is 8, the quotient is 21, and the remainder is 5. So I draw the long division bar. Like this. Here the divisor is 18. The quotient is 21. And the remainder is 5. So the formula to get the dividend from the divisor, quotient, and remainder is by multiplying the divisor and quotient like this. This is supposed to be multiplied, and after you get the product, you should add this. Add the remainder. So we should do 18 multiplied by 21. So we can have it, we can say as 18 multiplied by 20 plus 18 multiplied by 1, which is 360 plus 18 or 378. Now we should add 378 to 5. We should add 5 to 378, which is 383. So that's the answer. The dividend is The 383. Okay, I'll erase this. Okay, thank you everyone.